Now, the latency period, like I said, it lasts from about 6 to teenagers. And at this time, the libido lies dormant, only to be awakened in puberty years. So it is active, it is not inactive. It's very much active, but the energy is being utilized for other things. If the libido were to become inactive, there would be no energy. So you have to remember that there is libidinal energy constantly, but the superego and ego suppress it and utilize that energy for other activities. So you start focusing on school, you start studying, you start focusing on sports, making friends, all the things which are required to become well-rounded individuals.